Hello friends, my name is Eric Jesus, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can um, install your PowerApps applications into Teams, how you can add them. So the first thing that you want to do, like let's say, like assuming I already have my application up and running and ready built over here, the only thing that you need to do is just click Add in Teams. This is going to download a zip file, so the only thing that you need to do is just download the app, and this is going to download every single piece of code that you need to implement this into your Teams groups or your Teams apps. So this process takes like probably around like 2 or 3 minutes. Then you just wait for that to download. So let's wait. So now we have the zip file over here. So the only thing that we need to do is just go into our apps, and then here what we want to do is upload a custom app. So when we click over here, we're gonna upload for me for Aptud Inc. So I want it like to be like for the whole organization. So then here we need to look for that file that we just download, and it's called HR onboarding. So in our downloads, we have the app over here, the zip file. We just upload it exactly the same. And what this is going to do is this is going to build a built-in app for the organization. So when I go to my apps over here now, so like for example, and I search, and I search here HR. So you see that my app is already here, like into my apps, let's call it like library. So I just click add, and as soon as I click add, I can be using this app without any problems inside my organization. So I think this is a cool way that you can integrate your Power Apps into the Teams, and people can have access to those apps. So if you have any security applied to that, also that security is going to apply to your app. Thank you very much, and I hope this is helpful for you.